can figure out why he evaded us and go from there.
There we go.
All right, you can gather up whatever's yours. Get out.
All right, let's go live to Nye County now. That's where Lieutenant Eric Murphy is on a traffic stop there.
160 in Wilson on a white motorhome, plate tip skirt.
Recording.
Nice 7 information. We're in the middle turn lane, still moving southbound. It's slow speed right now. Looks like we're going to be going east on Matthew.
Really, dude?
Nice 7 info. He stopped right in front of Taco Bell. Nice 7. It'll be California 2 Zebra Paul Robert 318. Hi man, Lieutenant Murphy with the Sheriff's Office. You know why I'm stopping you? You got no lights on the back of this motorhome whatsoever. Everything's dark.
Are you serious?
Yep. I wouldn't have stopped you if I'm not. You have a driver's license on you?
Somewhere.
Somewhere?
Somewhere. I have no idea where, but it's somewhere I have one.
Where are you headed to?
I was taking Burger King and I was going back to the park, but now I'm going to Burger King finally.
You got no tail lights.
Yeah, I'm gonna start with that.
All right, so I need to see your driver's license.
I'll have to look for it.
Okay.
No.
Is it valid?
Yeah, of course.
Out of where?
There's a lot of things that canine on duty could mean. Absolutely. And I'm not going to guess. But we do need your help because we got an important wanted to get through. Sean, what do you got?
Hey, canines might help out on this, but OP Nation, tonight the police in Aurora, Colorado need your help to find a man wanted for a brutal